Díocuit agus fáilte. In this video we're going to take a look at an item that's very popular in the news at the moment, and that is Brexit, the whole process of Britain leaving the European Union. If you would like to learn more Irish words, phrases and grammar, then why not subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit that bell notification where you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So back to this video anyway on Brexit. As I said, it's in the news a lot these days, and the Irish for news is nuacht. Nuacht. The Irish for Brexit is Brat Imacht. Brat Imacht. And that comes from two words. An Bhreatain, which is Britain, An Bhreatain, and Imacht, which comes from the verbal noun ag imacht. Ag imacht is to leave or go away. Ag imacht. So when you put An Bhreatain and ag imacht together, it comes out as Brat Imacht, and that's the word for Brexit. Brat Imacht. The Irish for the European Union is An Taontas Eorpach. An Taontas Eorpach. The single market, Marga Éinear. Marga Éinear. The customs union, Aontas Custom. Aontas Custom is the customs union. So let's look at a few phrases now that might describe Brexit in a certain way. Tá Brat Imacht ú fásach Jackar. Brexit is awfully difficult. Tá Brat Imacht ú fásach Jackar. Níl réiteach éasca ar bithir. There's no easy answers. Níl réiteach éasca ar bithir. Is am crua é. It's a difficult time. Is am crua é. So if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to let me know in the comment section your thoughts on Brexit or any other item that might be in the news at the moment. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon when I'll be making another video. Slán go fóill.